Hey everyone, it's Yoslin and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I ordered a package from Cotton On and it finally came, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing today. So if you want to see what's in this package, then just keep on watching. So I have it right here and I have scissors and I'm going to cut this open. I ordered this on the Black Friday sale, because even though it was Black Friday, they still had a sale going on online. So that's when I ordered this, and I love their jeans. Their jeans are really good quality, and they're a really good price. They're $40, which might be expensive, but PacSun has their jeans for like $60 to $70, and I think I like Cotton On's jeans more because I used to love PacSun jeans, but they're kind of really expensive, so that's why now I like Cotton On's. So the first thing that I have here are these jeans, and they just look like this. They say Cotton On, and I'm going to cut them out of this packaging. They never told me that they shipped the item, which is weird. I was trying to find the tracking number and I could never find it because they never told me that they shipped it. So here are these jeans. They are the bootleg jeans, and they just look like this. I love the wash of these. I hope they fit. They look like they will, but yeah, they're just plain blue jeans with the bootlegs at the bottom, and I love this on the back of it. I don't know why I like that. I don't really know why, but I do. And yeah, I think I'm gonna try these on so you guys can see what they look like. So this will be a try-on haul. I'm really happy with these, and they feel like really good quality, so I'm excited to try these on. I was wanting to get like bootleg jeans, like wider leg jeans, so I can wear them with my Doc Martens. So these are the jeans, and they look like this. I'll stand up on the couch so you guys can see the bottom of them. Here's the whole jeans. Like, you guys can see that they're bootleg. And these are a little bit too long, like a little bit. But if I wear Doc Martens with them, they'll literally be the perfect length. And I love jeans this long because I can wear socks like these with my Doc Martens and you won't even be able to see them. So yeah, that's these jeans. I really like them, and they're actually really comfortable, so I'm super happy with these ones. And the next thing that I got was this, which is actually a top, and this is actually really cool. We can actually just rip it open. Okay, so yeah, this is the next top I got, and this is more for like when it's really sunny outside, but has paper in the middle. I don't know, I just thought this was really cute. I saw it on the website, and I don't have anything like this. So yeah, here it is. It's like crocheted. It's a crocheted top. And I just thought it was so pretty. Like in the summertime, I'd have to wear a tank top under it because it kind of has like, it's really see-through. But I would just wear this with a tank top, and this is like I think these are called like halter tops where they go like that. But yeah, I really like this one. So this is the front of it. So you guys can see it's just crocheted. This one is $20, but I got it for $10 because it was a sale. But yeah. That's this. You just tie it, and I really like this top. Here is the crocheted top. I'm wearing like this shirt with stripes under it because I couldn't find any of my tank tops. But I actually really like this. It's really cute. It's super simple. It reminds me of like just a boho top. There's like a weird strap hanging there. But yeah, I really like the detail on it, and I'm super happy with this one. And also, this looks super bad because like I said, I have the tank top on, but the back is like halfway, as you guys can see. I would not wear this tank top with this shirt. I was just not able to find any of my other tank tops. But yeah, I'm really happy with this top, and I actually really like it. It would be a great summer top. That is this one. Next thing we have is this. Okay, these are the other jeans that I bought. So basically the sale that they were having was, I think, half off everything. I think that's what the sale was. But yeah, it was half off everything. So all the jeans were half off. And I saw this shirt that was $3. I didn't buy it because it didn't look like something I would wear. But yeah, they had like really good prices. So I got these jeans. I got 2 pairs of jeans because it was basically like getting 2 pairs of jeans for the price of 1. So that's why I decided to buy some. But these I'm really excited for because this is what they look like. So it's just like a blue jean. They have a little bit of distressed on the pockets. And then the knee, this knee just has like a hole. I really like this. I know Zara has jeans like this where it just has like a hole. I've never ordered off of Zara, but I see a lot of people with jeans like this and they say they're from Zara. And the bottom is just a little bit distressed, and I really like these. they were kind of selling out of some of the jeans. There was this other pair of jeans that I really wanted, but they looked really long. And I was reading the reviews and people said that they were like 6 foot and they fit perfectly. Not 6 foot, so I knew that those would be too long for me. So I decided to get these ones instead, and I really like them. They don't have the same thing as the other one, where this one had like the little thing in the back right there. These don't have that. The back just looks like this. I'm really happy with these, and I'm excited to try them on. The only thing I'm worried about is that these jeans are too long, but hopefully they won't be. Are the jeans, and I love these jeans as well. They just look like this. They are high-waisted, they're super high-waisted, and they have a bit of distressing, like I said earlier, and I really like these. This is how they fully look by standing on a couch. Hold on. This is how they look. They have this little rip here, and that's something I really like. They're just super nice jeans, and these ones actually fit me perfectly, as you guys can see. They're not too long, and they're not too short. They are perfect. So yeah, I love the wash on these jeans. So that was these jeans. The last thing that I got was this shirt. So, let's see. In the cotton on bag, and it is this gray shirt, as you guys can see, but it's a turtleneck. It's like a cropped turtleneck. I only have like 2 turtlenecks. I had a white turtleneck, but I washed it and it turned pink. So I'm thinking of getting rid of that one. It just has long sleeves and it's cropped, and I really like this. This one was only $7, which is a pretty good price, and it was $15 before the sale. So I was really excited to get this. And yeah, I'm super excited with everything that I got. This top is just a gray turtleneck. I really like this top. It's super soft and just a cozy top. It's great for the winter because it's a turtleneck and a long sleeve. And it is a bit cropped, but I like it because it's not like those crop tops that are like super short. It's actually a good length where I can wear it with my high-waisted jeans and it's not cropped at all. That's this turtleneck. And that was everything in this haul. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!